go to mercheyes.com. Enter ceramic acrylic ornament in the search box to find the product in our catalog. On the product page, click on the Download Template and Mockup button. Or you can click on the Template and Mockup tab to find the link to download the template file. With this product, we have 2 template versions for one-side printing and 2-side printing. Download the template you want to create designs for. You can use Photoshop or other alternatives that support smart object functions to open the downloaded templates. Now, we will use Photopea, a free online editing website. To create our design, go to photopea.com, drag and drop the template to Photopea's workspace. Ceramic and acrylic ornament is made of 2 layers, ceramic at the bottom and acrylic on top. The top acrylic layer is customizable in both shapes and prints. You can add the cut design for the acrylic on the Cut Design for the Top Layer section and place the print design in the section right below. On the other hand, ceramic layers come in 4 fixed shapes: oval, circle, star, and heart. You can't customize the shape of ceramic layers. Only the print design is customizable on the ceramic. With the one-side printed version, there is only one section for adding the print design for the ceramic layer. However, with the 2 printed version, you can see an additional section for ceramic section at the bottom. This is where you place the design for the back of the ceramic. Let's turn on Customizable Parts to see what a complete design will look like. Note that the front design of ceramic layer should also show the design of the acrylic layer. It will help to mark where to place the acrylic. Let's start by adding the design for the ceramic layer first. Each ceramic shape will come with a different safe print area. You must turn on the safe zone for the type you want to design. Click the drop-down for safe zone. Then click the drop-down for front and back to see all the nested safe zone layers. Turn off all other shapes and only keep the shape that you want to add design for. For this design, I will select the star shape. Now, let's add my design for the ceramic section. The dashed green line makes up the safe print area, and all of your important elements or text should be placed within this green line. Make sure to keep your main elements within the safe zone area and let your design cover the entire gray area. If your print design doesn't cover the entire gray area, it might show the white surface of the original ceramic on your product. For 2-side printed design, let's add a design for the back side in the section below. Let's open the Smart Object from this layer. You can place the design for the top layer in this section. When it's done, turn off all the template and other unnecessary layers. Save Smart Object. Now, your print design and cut shape design for the top layer have been automatically generated in the respective section. The acrylic layer design is also added on top of the ceramic section, so we can see how 2 layers aligned on top of each other. If you are satisfied with how it looks, turn off the guide group and other unnecessary layers you don't want to include in your printed design. Now, you can save your file. On Photopea, click on File, select Export As, and choose PNG to export the file in a transparent format. On Photoshop, click on Save As or Save as a copy and choose PNG format. You can also click on Export, and choose Quick Export as PNG. From the same template and mockup link, open the mockup folder and download the PSD file. Just like with template files, you can open mockup files in Photoshop or Photopea. On the layer panel on the right, turn on the ornament shapes you want to create mockups for and turn off all other layers above. For this mockup, I will choose the star shape. Double-click on the Place Your Design Here layer to open Smart Object. On the new Smart Object tab, turn off the example layer and turn on Guide to reveal the template. Now you can fill this template with the design you have previously created with the template file. Afterward, you should turn off the guide and other unnecessary layers. Then save Smart Object by holding Ctrl+S. Back to our files. You can see the design has been adapted to the mockup. You can also choose different angles and versions of the mockup. When you click the drop-down for each shape, there will be mockup versions, front, back and front_back. You switch between these three mockup versions or even add a new background. If you are satisfied with how your mockup looks, you can save your mockup for your own use. Make sure to turn off all guide layers before saving your artwork. You have finished your template and mockup. It's time to upload your design to our fulfillment system and start selling.